Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus device to OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all those other pop-ups. When you're done, hit send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus device and receive right next to send at the bottom of 5 Ultra. Also on this OnePlus smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. To continue, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on 5 Ultra. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!